Tapos ka na.
After several months, Aling Sevilla got pregnant. Felicia had this suspicion that her husband is the father of the previous child because of what she had known about the two. And so, the pregnancy came to an end. And one night, Alicia heard something from the other house. Alicia looked out from her window and saw the child's woman. Why did they help her? So what did she do with her? She was thinking if she'd help Aling Sevilla, but with her conscience, she called the hilot, and so Aling Sevilla gave birth. Years passed. Aling Sevilla's daughter, who is not listed to you, grew up. And so it is, Aling's young son grew up with his curiosity why his mother didn't allow him to go out or even go near the fence. He grew up weak and sickly. Okay, never go over that fence, okay? One time, a king heard music from a guitar. He went out to see where it was coming from, then found out that it is the girl who lives beside their house and separated by the fence. His mother caught him there and King, why are you here? You're not supposed to pass the fence. Go home. The king then went home without any. 3 years passed without the king hearing the music from the guitar. Then Christmas Eve came. Next day, during the Christmas Eve, the child was born. The king